Did you know that cuttlefish might be smarter than you think? This surprising idea challenges common misconceptions about their intelligence in marine research. Stick with me, you'll want to hear this. Many people view cuttlefish as just another sea creature, but there's much more beneath the surface. Our understanding of their intelligence is often clouded by misunderstandings that could change everything we know about them. The implications are significant, and you might not realize what's at stake. Imagine standing on a rocky shore, captivated by these creatures gliding through the water, their colors shifting like a living kaleidoscope. But what if those stunning displays are more than just beautiful? What if they're a form of communication we haven't fully grasped? The deeper you dive into their world, the more you'll uncover. Here's where it gets interesting. Many researchers have labeled cuttlefish as simple-minded, overlooking their complex behaviors that suggest otherwise. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and demonstrate problem-solving skills that rival some mammals. Yet, this narrative is often buried under skepticism. What if this skepticism is keeping us from unlocking the secrets of the ocean? Picture yourself in a lab, watching a cuttlefish navigate an obstacle course. Each movement is deliberate and calculated, revealing the intelligence behind those shifting collars. Unfortunately, mainstream views still cling to outdated beliefs, which could lead to serious missteps in marine conservation efforts. As we explore their abilities, we must confront an uncomfortable truth: our biases shape our understanding of intelligence. If we misjudge these creatures, we risk undermining their ecological role and the delicate balance of their habitats. What could happen if we continued down this path? Next time you see cuttlefish in a documentary or research paper, will you view them through the lens of outdated misconceptions, or will you recognize the depths of their intelligence? The choice we make today could redefine marine research tomorrow. In this rapidly evolving field, one thing is clear: we need to broaden our perspectives and listen to the silent voices of the ocean. This is so clear, oh yeah, well, you do well, boy, Who knows what other mysteries await discovery once we do? So, as you reflect on these amazing creatures, remember that understanding their intelligence isn't just about them, it's about us too. If you found this exploration fascinating, consider subscribing for more deep dives into the mysteries of the marine world. Together, we can shift the narrative. You might think you know cuttlefish. Think you know cuttlefish. They're colorful, intelligent, and a bit quirky, gliding effortlessly through their underwater realm. But what if everything you believe about their intelligence is off base? Many view these creatures as clever little mollusks, yet the truth is far more intricate. In the realm of AI-driven marine research, misconceptions lurk just beneath the surface. Did you know that scientists are still striving to fully understand cuttlefish intelligence? Imagine standing by a tide pool, watching a cuttlefish change colors as if it's communicating with its environment. Captivating, right? However, their intelligence is often underestimated or misrepresented, highlighting a broader issue in marine research. As researchers delve deeper, they uncover complexities that challenge our simplistic views. The way cuttlefish interact with their surroundings is a delicate dance of survival, yet many studies focus only on basic behaviors, overlooking the intricate decision-making that truly defines them. This creates significant gaps in our understanding. Now, picture yourself in an aquarium, surrounded by experts who claim to know these animals inside and out. What if they were missing a crucial piece of the puzzle? Their conclusions could lead to flawed conservation strategies, and the stakes are high. Misinterpretations could jeopardize entire ecosystems. The more we learn, the more questions arise. It's not just about their camouflage or their ability to squirt ink, it's about how their intelligence tells a broader story about marine environments. As we advance in AI, we must ask ourselves, are we genuinely honoring the intelligence of these creatures, or are we simplifying them to fit a narrative? As you watch a cuttlefish glide gracefully through the water, consider this: every flick of their tentacles and every change in color reveals much about their cognitive abilities. Yet, we still rely on outdated models of intelligence that fail to capture their true essence. Before you dismiss the cuttlefish as just a fascinating oddity, think about the implications. If we don't accurately understand their intelligence, what does that mean for future research? What does it say about how we perceive intelligence in the animal kingdom? So, as you reflect on this complex creature, remember there's so much more beneath the waves. Understanding cuttlefish isn't just about knowing them, it's about confronting our own biases and assumptions. As you explore this underwater world, ask yourself, are we ready to embrace the full spectrum of intelligence that exists in nature? The answer might just change everything. Have you ever thought about how cuttlefish experience stress? It's intriguing to consider that these vibrant, behaviorally complex creatures might be hiding deeper feelings. Common misconceptions about their intelligence, particularly in AI-driven marine research, could reshape our understanding entirely. Picture this: you stroll past a Serenity tank at your local aquarium, watching a cuttlefish glide gracefully, its colors shifting like a living kaleidoscope. But beneath that calm exterior, these animals are navigating stress in ways we barely comprehend. Many people don't realize just how sensitive cuttlefish are to their environment. Here's where it gets fascinating. Cuttlefish are often viewed as simple creatures, and this misunderstanding can skew how researchers interpret their behaviors. When we study them through outdated lenses, we overlook vital signs of stress. It's like trying to read a book in a language you don't speak. Imagine sitting at a cafe, sipping your coffee, when suddenly the barrister drops a tray. Your heart races. That's a stress response. Cuttlefish have their own versions of this reaction, but how do we recognize it? Researchers often miss subtle changes in their skin patterns and movements that indicate distress. When they turn pale or behave erratically, it's not just a mood swing, it's a cry for help. This brings us to a crucial point. Relying too heavily on